Hey guys, here at Berryessa, about to launch out and get the day started. It's about 8 o'clock. Just got the kayaks in the water back here. And yeah, gonna see what we can produce today. Not really expecting a great bite, but I think we can put 5 in the boat and yeah, stay tuned. Well, it's been about an hour. Had a couple bites earlier on a jig. Nothing since then. Just tough. It's colder than I expected. Water's 53. I'm finding fish. I'm just not getting them to commit to my bait. So I'm gonna keep at it. We'll stay out here for about 5 more hours, see what happens. Fish here. Where are you? I was reeling it back in and he chased it down the jig. Yeah, nice. It's a grind out here today, man. Nothing. Yeah, it's a pretty one. Yeah. Wasn't expecting that. I was getting ready to move to that point over there. All right, guys, I'm heading back. It's probably 2 o'clock. Got out here about 8:39. Slow, tough. I had a couple bites, a couple solid ones. Didn't hook up with them. The one I caught, I wasn't trying to catch. I was swimming my jig back to my kayak. Yeah, it was tough. Colder than I expected out here. Dead calm. Dead calm. I'm gonna go back to the Delta again Wednesday, see if the bites picked up any. Last time caught that good one, so hopefully I can get something decent this time around. Yeah, so I'll post that video probably Thursday or Friday, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn your notifications on. Keep an eye out for more videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.